Welcome to our tutorial about AutoDimension. Let's start by creating a new drawing document. B landscape is okay. I'll only create one view. Okay. Now let's click Smart Dimension and let's select the AutoDimension tab. Entities to dimension. We have the option to dimension all the entities in view or selected entities. I'm going to choose all entities in view. As you see, the edges are pre-selected for me and color-coded. In the horizontal and vertical dimensions control areas, the edges are pre-selected and color-coded. For a horizontal dimension scheme, we can choose chain, baseline, or ordinate. Let's select baseline for both. Dimension placement. Let's select above the view and left of view in the horizontal and vertical control areas respectively. OK. And we have our dimensions. Let's clean them up a little bit now. We're going to drag them to a more aesthetic and organized location. Okay. Let's position our drawing more in the center of the graphic area. Okay, and now we're ready to save it. File, Save. SOLIDWORKS selects a name for us automatically. We'll call it -A and save. Now let's create a second drawing. New. 2D drawing, OK. Landscape B, OK. Let's cancel out of here. And let's select our part from the View Palette drop-down menu. Once again, click on Smart Dimension, go to the AutoDimension tab. This time, instead of a baseline scheme, we're going to choose an ordinate scheme for both the horizontal and vertical dimension control areas. We're going to leave the above view and left of view in place. Click OK. And let's zoom in a little bit. Reposition some of our dimensions. And let's click OK. And let's save. We'll call this one Drawing B. Save. Now let's use the Draw Compare tool to compare these two drawings. First, we'll browse and select Drawing A. Now let's go select Drawing B, browse, Drawing B, open. Click the Compare Drawings button. Okay, here's our comparison. Let's zoom in a little bit. The drawings are superimposed in different colors. This lets us compare the drawings pretty easily. And this concludes our tutorial about the AutoDimension tool.